In this video, let's look at how to create our first Eclipse project and create our first Java program. So I would start with double-clicking Eclipse. Just after downloading Eclipse and unzipping it, just double-click it, and it would ask for a workspace. You can give any workspace that you'd want to start with. I mean, just give some folder name. It can be C:/test workspace, for example. I'm using a Mac, so I give workspaces/test and click OK. Eclipse launches up everything. I mean, Eclipse is a big installation, so it's now loading all this stuff. And this is the first screen that you would see. This is called the Eclipse welcome screen. And now you can create a new project by using File, New, Java Project. So this is how you would create a Java project. Most important concept is any Java class that you would want to create in Eclipse should be part of a project. So the projects help us to organize different Java classes into different projects. So I would start off creating a new project. So what we have done is File, New, Java Project. So File, New, Java Project, and choose the project name. I would call this Test Project, or I can call it Hello World Project. Hello World Project. And I leave the JRE which I want to use at Java SE 1.6. You can choose Java SE 1.7 as well. And I'd click finish. Don't worry about all the other stuff which is present in there. We would get to it very soon. And I will close this welcome screen, and then you would see this workspace. So whatever you're seeing now is called a workbench. This is the entire Eclipse windows which you are seeing here. This part of the workspace is called Package Explorer. So you can see all the projects inside that you have created in your Package Explorer. So if I create a new project, let's say I create a new project, Hello World 2. So you'd see that it would turn up here on the Package Explorer. So don't worry about the other stuff for now. The way we create a new Java file is by selecting the project. You'd select the project from the Package Explorer, and you can say File, New, Class. So this is how you would create a new Java class. And I would want to create a class called Hello World, and I would want to put it in a package called com.foo. And I would want the main method also to be created. If you look at this checkbox, it says public static void main. If I check this, you would see that the file which is created by Eclipse would contain the public static void main. And I click finish. So whatever you see now is a very simple Java program which is created. If you see the package which we have given to it has been used, package com.foo, and then I can see the public class Hello World with the main method, and it also puts in a few Java docs. Doesn't say anything, but yeah, it creates a main method as well. Now I would go ahead and put whatever we would want. Let's say I want to print system.out.println, and I would want to say Hello World. And now I do something called right click. I'll just go back a bit, and if you do a right click on the page, and do run as Java application, you'd see the output in the console. Console is something which is called a view. We'll talk about views a little later, but for now you can see the output of Hello World program in the console. So this is a small video where we have learned how to create a small Java program. We created a Java project, and then we created a Java class with a main method, and inside that we wrote our first system.out.println to put Hello World to the output. The other thing which we also did was to do a run as Java application and this runs the Java application and shows you the output in the console. This video is part of a series of videos discussing various features in Eclipse, different shortcuts, and also tips to improve your productivity. If you like this video, show it by clicking like or commenting or sharing this video. We are creating more videos on varied range of topics as we speak. Subscribe to stay updated. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.